Almost every electronic device has its own version of a screen of death. In the case of the iPhone black screen of death, the device's screen is blank and won't respond to touch. No need to worry guys, there are a few troubleshooting methods that you can use to try to fix it out. So let's get started. So let's go to the first method, which I believe is going to work for most of you all. To do so, press volume up button, followed by volume down button, and quickly press power button, until Apple logo appears. If this doesn't work, bring your lightning cable and try to charge your iPhone. Wait for a while and your iPhone should turn on itself. So I hope you've successfully fixed the black screen issue on your iPhone. So that's all about it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and enable post notifications. We'll be back with more videos of iPhone, so stay tuned. This is Peter Smith, see you soon in the next video.